Hello students, you are welcome in the grammar lesson with Katore sir. In this lesson, we will focus on a letter, a word, a phrase, a sentence and types of sentences. First we will see letter. A letter is a symbol used for writing a certain sound. For example, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z are letters. There are 26 letters in English. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. While writing English, we use capital and small letters. Then we will see word. What is word? The word is a group of letters that has complete meaning or sense. It is a unit of language. For example, a bat, mango, tree, basket, cupboard, etc. Then we will see phrase. The phrase is a short group of words which make sense but not complete. It is without subject or object. For example, in front of, instead of, to look for, in order to, in search of, to put on, etc. Then we will move towards sentence. The sentence is a group of two or more words that expresses complete sense. It has subject and predicate. For example, birds fly in the sky. The dogs bark at strangers. Ram is a clever student. I study regularly. Now we will see types of sentences. Students, there are 5 types of sentences. First, assertive or statement. It is also called declarative sentence. Second, question or interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence or order. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. And fifth, optative sentence. These 5 sentences we have to study step by step. First, assertive statement or declarative sentence. The structure of assertive sentence is subject, verb, object. S for subject, V for verb, O for object. For example, Raju writes a letter. Raju is a subject, write is a verb, and a letter is object. Remember, full stop is used at the end of the statement. Let us see the activity. Underline subject, object, and verb in the following sentences. There are 5 sentences. Read these 5 sentences carefully and underline subject, verb, and object. The statements can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative sentence, for example, it is true. The negative of this sentence is it is not true. Lata sings sweetly. The negative, Lata does not sing sweetly. She was happy to come. Negative, she was not happy to come. In this way, we can use affirmation or negation in statements. The second type of sentence is interrogative or questions. There are 2 questions. First is WH question and second is yes no question. It is also called verbal question. First we will learn WH question. It begins with what, where, which, who, why, whose, whom, how long, how many, etc. For example, what's your name? Where do you live? Why are you late? How do you come to school? Whom do you want to meet? Which is your book? The underlined words are WH words. They are used at the beginning for making questions. Next type of question is yes no question or verbal question. Yes no question begins with a helping verb and can be answered by saying yes or no. For example, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, may, can, would, etc. are helping verbs. For example, am is am I right? Here, am is used for making question. Is it correct? Here, is used at the beginning to make a question. Are you happy? Do you study every day? May I come in, sir? Have you completed your homework? Would you like to give me a pen? Could you tell me your name, please? All the underlined words are helping verbs and they are used for making yes no questions. Third type of sentence is imperative sentence. We can call it order. It expresses command and request. It generally begins with main verb. For example, come, go, put, bring, give, etc. For example, come here, go to school, bring me a cup of tea, give me a pen, study regularly, etc. The fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong feeling or emotion. It starts with how or what a or an. For example, how kind you are, what a beautiful flower it is, how happy I am, what a great king Shivaji was, what an interesting story it is, bravo, you have done well. Exclamatory mark is given at the end of the sentence. The last type of sentence is optative sentence. A sentence which expresses wish or a prayer is known as optative sentence. For example, may you have a bright future. May God give you long life. May God bless you, my child. I wish I were a bird. If I had wings, I would fly in the sky. These sentences express wish or prayer, so they are called optative sentence. Let us see exercise. Identify the types of sentences. With the help of explanation given in the previous slides, you have to find the types of sentences from these sentences. Next exercise, read the sentences carefully and write the kinds of sentences. There are 10 sentences. You have to write kinds of sentences. Next activity, classify the following sentences into assertive, question, order, and explanation. There are 10 sentences. You have to classify these sentences into assertive, question, order, explanation. Friends, you might have understood this video. Watch this video again and again. You may pause this video and solve the activities. Thank you.